Good morning, all of you. Here we are discussing an important topic of mathematics, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry. So, what is trigonometry? Actually, trigonometry basically combined with two letters. The first one is tri, and second one is gonal. So, tri means three, and gonal represent the angle. So trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with three angles, and these three angles that are basically found in a shape that is a triangle. Like this is a triangle ABC, and these are the angles like angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So can we use trigonometry in this triangle? This is the scalene triangle, like 7, 8 and 2. So this is the scalene triangle. We can't use trigonometry in this triangle. But if we want to use trigonometry, so we have a triangle that is named as a right angle triangle. So what is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is equal to 90 degree. There is an angle that is equal to 90 degree, and another two angle, this one and this one. These are the acute angles. That this is the theta 1 angle and this is the theta 2 angle, and the triangle name is ABC. So angle ABC, that is 90 degree, and theta 1 and theta 2 are less than 90 degree. It means these are the theta 1 and theta 2 are the acute angle. Okay. So we have to study our trigonometry. So first of all we have to specify some trigonometric ratios like sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and last one is cot. Okay. So before we starting the ratios of in the form of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, first we have to discuss what is the Pythagoras theorem, because in any right angle triangle, if base, perpendicular and hypotenuse, these three sides have specific name, like BC is the base, AB is the perpendicular and AC is the hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse, this is the perpendicular, and this one is the BC is the base. So it is very simple. The vertical line which represent the angle of 90 degree is known as the perpendicular, and BC what? BC is the baseline in which we draw an angle of 90 degree. So BC is the baseline. And what is the hypotenuse? The line, the side in front of 90 degree. The side in front of 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. In another case, like I have made a triangle and I said that this is 90 degree. So the line in front of 90 degree. So which line? This line. So this line represents hypotenuse in this triangle. Okay. So what is Pythagorean theorem? Pythagoras theorem is as simple: hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. I have taken example like hypotenuse is 13, perpendicular is 12, and base is 5. Okay. We can take more examples and we will discuss like Pythagorean triplet. So another example is 25, 24 and 7. 25 square equal 24 square plus 7 square. These are Pythagorean triplet which satisfy the Pythagorean equation are known as the Pythagorean triplet. Now we discuss what is the ratio of these sides with respect to angle theta 1 or theta 2. So what will the ratio? Here we are taking all the ratio with respect to theta 1. Okay. So sin theta 1, cos theta 1, tan theta 1, cosec theta 1, sec theta 1 and cot theta 1. So what is the sine? Sine is actually perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is the perpendicular in this figure? AB, and what is the hypotenuse? That is AC. So AB upon AC. Okay. What is the cos theta 1 with respect to this angle theta 1? Okay. Theta 1 is, what is the cos theta 1? That is base upon hypotenuse. So base is BC, base upon hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. What is tan theta 1? That is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular means AB and base is perpendicular P upon B. That is perpendicular is AB and what is the base? Base is BC. Now we have learned only these three ratios: sine, cos, tan. Next one, cosec theta 1, that is the reciprocal of sine theta 1. These are two reciprocal to each other. Cosec theta 1 is 1 upon sine theta 1, or we can also say that sine theta 1 is equal to 1 upon cosec theta 1. So if sine theta 1 equal to P upon H, so what is the cosec theta? That is H upon P. It means AC upon AB. In the same way, cos theta and sec theta are also reciprocal to each other. So 1 upon cos theta 1. Cos theta 1 is equal to B upon H, base upon hypotenuse. So sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base. That is AC upon BC. Next one, tan theta. So tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta, or cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So theta 1 upon tan theta 1. Tan theta 1 equal to P upon B. So this will B upon P. Base upon perpendicular, it means BC upon AB. Here we have discussed ratio with respect to angle theta 1. In the same triangle, if we are discussing angle theta 2. Okay. So these values become changed. How? Side in front of any one acute angle. If we taking out theta 1, so side in front of theta 1 is known as perpendicular. Okay. In the same way, if we are taking theta 2, so side in front of theta 2 or an acute angle is become the perpendicular. So if we taking theta 2, so perpendicular BC will become perpendicular and AB will become base. So in the same way, if we have to find sine theta 2, so what is sine? Sine is the perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means P upon H, but here theta 2 is changed. First we have taken theta 1, now we are taking theta 2. So what is the perpendicular? BC in front of theta 2. In the previous section, in front of theta 1, AB is the perpendicular, and in this section, theta 2 in front of BC in front of theta 2, there BC will become perpendicular. So BC equal to BC upon hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse remains same because 90 angle remains side in front of 90 degree is known as hypotenuse. This is the basic of trigonometry. And in the same way, we have find all the value of sin cos theta 2, tan theta 2, theta 2. Okay. So I hope you will understand this concept, and we will meet in next class and discuss then how they are related with the identities, how we can find another ratio and all these. Okay. Thank you so much.